Hey guys, so we're installing a new system here at a customer's house, and we're working on a J10S Gould's pump here. Even though it's rusted on the wellhead, these pumps are incredible and they do last a long time. This pump still builds up a ton of pressure, it still pulls in a ton of volume. It's an awesome pump. So if you're considering a new pump, J10S Gould's 1 horsepower pump is the way to go. So if you can't notice on the video, there's a brand new pad here. I believe it's 7x12. It's awesome. This is the right way to put in a new system. A lot of customers of ours will put in a new water system on a slanted pad or multiple concrete blocks or even dirt, dig it down, whatever. But this is definitely the way to go to preserve the life of the units. As you can see, there's an overhead, so that protects the units and the fiberglass from deteriorating with the sunlight. So we're gonna have a J10S pump there with a big boy sediment filter mounted on the wall. Let's come closer here. Let's look at this WS1 Clack control head twin tank softener. This means there's always going to be soft water, no matter what time of day it is. When one tank is running into the house to give soft water, the other tank is regenerating or waiting to be, after it's regenerated, it's waiting to be switched over. When the tank switches over, it immediately regenerates the one tank, so there's always soft water. It can regenerate multiple times a day, and you'll still have soft water in the house. We're going to put a 2 cubic foot catalytic carbon here, so when the time we're set and done, it's going to be a beautiful looking system.